Hello friends, I am Rajesh Toshi and today we are going to start with the very first tutorial of Git. Some of you all would already be aware of what Git is and what it is used for, but for those who don't know, let's understand the basic of using Git with an example. For that, let's open Notepad. I am using Notepad as it is sufficient to understand the example. If we define Git in simple terms, it is a software that keeps track of changes in files. So the question arises, what's the need for me to learn it? Don't worry, we will realize in a while. Let's say we have been told to write an assignment by our professor or boss. So I am writing, this is my assignment and saving it. Let's suppose in G Drive, I am creating a folder for our Git tutorials with the name assignment.txt. Oh shit, I made a mistake in spelling. It should be ASSIGNment. Now it's correct. So let me not touch the original file. So I'm saving it with a new name assignment underscore final dot text. Okay. Oh, I even forgot to capitalize the T of this. Again, I am saving it, keeping the original file as it is. So like assignment underscore final 2 dot text and saving it. I also missed giving the full stop. So one more time, I am saving it, keeping the previous file as it is. So giving this name assignment underscore final 3 dot text and saving it. So now if I observe my folder of Git tutorials, I have multiple versions of my assignment file with each file having some sort of modification. I am sure we all would have managed versions of files in such a way sometimes in our life. To recollect, we usually do such kind of file versioning for our resume and later struggle to guess what changes was there in each version of the file. To rescue from this problem, Git plays the role. Git does the management of versions of the exact same files in a far better way than I did. At the basic, Git helps in couple of ways. First, Git lets us go back to any of the desired version of a file in a very easy way. Second, at a time, we get to see only a single desired copy of a file in the folder as Git does all the management behind the scenes. Now, this example just talked about a single file of assignment or resume. However, the significance of Git further gets realized when we try to manage changes in tons of files of source code, as during the software development, the code gets modified several times for debugging or enhancing purpose and is also dealt not just by a single person, rather a team. In such a scenario, managing the versions of code manually would definitely be a nightmare. Git makes it all pretty simple, easy, and efficient. So, learning how to use Git is an essence for all the programmers or software developers who gets their hands dirty with code. Having said that, doesn't mean it won't be useful for the people who don't code. It is just the case that programmers use it more often. Understanding Git will benefit all the people dealing with any kind of system file like Word, Excel, text file, etc. you use in your day-to-day life. All in all, understanding Git will benefit everyone working on computer. I hope this gave us the basic idea of the usage of Git. Further, in this series, I won't be discussing the history of Git. Rather, we will move ahead with hands-on experience with an example to maintain the liveliness of sessions. In the next tutorial, we will see how to download and install Git. Thanks